Would you like a monthly pension of 2.5 lakhs after retirement? Sounds like a dream, right? But what if I told you it's achievable and simpler than you think? The secret lies in equity mutual funds and the power of compounding. Let me show you how to make this possible step by step. So, number one, the magic of starting early. Retirement might feel like it's ages away, but here's why starting early makes a huge difference. Let's compare. If you invest consistently for 30 years, your money has more time to grow exponentially. But wait even 10 years and you lose out on compounding, making it harder to reach the same goal even if you invest more than you would have invested in 30 years. But think about it. What would you prefer? Investing less now or regretting the missed opportunity later? And number two, we have SIP, which is your secret weapon for wealth creation. Because a systematic investment plan, SIP is your key to building wealth even if you start small. So why are SIPs so effective? Number one, rupee cost averaging. You invest regularly, buying more when market dip and less when they rise. Number two, discipline. No excuses. You save and invest consistently. And number three, flexibility. Need to adjust your amount? You can. By staying consistent, your investment grows steadily over time, smoothing out market ups and downs. Now let us see how to turn your 10,000 rupees into 3.53 crore corpus. So here's where the magic happens. Let's assume that you start investing 10,000 rupees per month in a good performing equity mutual fund via SIP at the age of 25 for 30 years with an average annual return of 12%. Your total investment of 36 lakhs grows to 3.53 crores. Wait, there's more. If you reinvest the same corpus in a scheme with an 8% annual return, you can generate 2.5 lakhs per month as your pension. Doesn't that sound like the retirement you deserve? Now let us see step up SIP to maximize your wealth. Because what if you could grow your investment even faster? Enter step up SIP, where you can increase your monthly investment by a small percentage every year. For example, start with 10,000 rupees per month at the age of 25 and increase it by 3% annually. This small change can boost your corpus to 4.43 crores by the age of 55. Reinvest that and your monthly pension will grow to nearly 3 lakhs. Equity mutual funds so ideal for a long term goal like this, because if you're worried about risk, let me explain why equity mutual funds are perfect for long term financial goal like retirement. Number one, diversification. Your money is spread across multiple companies and sectors, reducing risk. Number two, expert management. Fund managers make the investment decisions for you. And number three, higher returns. Historically, equity mutual funds have outperformed fixed deposits and other traditional low risk saving options. So, over the long term, equity mutual funds smooth out short term market volatility and help you build serious wealth. So, retirement planning isn't just about saving, it's about starting early and investing smart. SIPs make this process easy, and Step Up SIP take your wealth creation to the next level. So what's stopping you? Wouldn't you love to secure a 2.5 lakh monthly pension for your future retired self? And if you found this video helpful in your retirement planning, don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more tips to secure your financial future. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.
You can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.